Adjusting lights and shades from a smartphone has never been easier, more reliable or affordable. Experience the ultimate convenience with the Lutron Caseta Wireless Dimmer. Pico Remote Control and Smart Bridge. The wireless dimmer gives you the ability to set the right light for any activity, whether it's reading, watching TV, entertaining, or having a casual dinner. The dimmer works up to 600 watts of incandescent or halogen and 150 watts of dimmable LED or dimmable CFL. Control the lights from anywhere in the room by using the Pico Remote Control by mounting the remote directly to the wall for multi-location dimming. No cutting holes or wiring required. Use the Lutron Smart Bridge and app to control lights and shades from anywhere. Schedule them to adjust automatically based on the time of day or create your favorite scenes that adjust multiple lights and shades with the press of a button. This kit includes 1. Smart Bridge, 1. Caseta In-Wall Dimmer, 1. Pico Remote Control, and 1. Pico Wall Plate Bracket. Pico takes 1 CR2032 battery included in remote. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Peace of mind. Set lights to automatically adjust with changing seasons so your family always comes back to a well-lit home. You can also enable the Smart Away feature to randomly turn your lights on and off to look like you're home even if you're away. Number 2. Most connected. Caseta connects with more leading smart home devices, including Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, the Google Assistant, Ring, Serena Shades, and Sonos, than any other smart lighting control brand. Number 3. Control your way. Caseta puts the smarts in the switch so you can control a variety of ways, via the free Lutron app, your voice, or from the wall. Create personalized schedules to change lights at set times or activate scenes with the touch of a button. Number 4. Reliably smart. The Smart Bridge doesn't use Wi-Fi, so you get super fast, ultra-reliable smart lighting that works right without slowing your Wi-Fi down with more devices. Number 5. Set it and forget it. Always keep your smart light functionality even when the Wi-Fi goes down. There's no need to reset your schedules and scenes or reconnect everything when it comes back online. Number 6. Get more, spend less. One Caseta Smart Switch can control many bulbs at once. Make many bulbs smart. Even your existing bulbs get smart control of multiple styles of dimmable LED, incandescent, and halogen bulbs. Number 7. Works with existing wiring. Unlike other smart dimmer switches, Caseta works in any home of any age as it does not require a neutral wire. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What's included? And does this allow you to use Samsung SmartThings app and Alexa voice control? Answer. The PBDG-PKG1WA includes 1 Smart Bridge, 1 PD6WCL dimmer, 1 PJ2-3 Brazilian Reals Pico Remote, and 1 wall box adapter plate for the Pico Remote. With the Smart Bridge, you will be able to integrate Caseta and Samsung SmartThings, along with Alexa. Question number 2. Can this control 6 cam lights in my kitchen? Answer. Yes, the dimmer in this package, model PD6WCL, is rated to control up to 150W of dimmable LED, CFL, or 600W of incandescent, halogen lighting. As long as your can lights meet this specification, this control should work for your application. Question number 3. How is this set up? Answer. The PD6WCL dimmer that comes in this kit would be installed on a lighting circuit. If it's a 3-way circuit, then the Pico remote would be added at the second location. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.